Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. I am going to upload more video related to PCB design, Arduino project and electronic projects in my channel. So if you are interested in electronics field, please subscribe my channel. What we are going to see in this video is how to turn on and turn off the LED by using push button. So let's create a new project. You can save your project whatever place you want. So I have select this folder and go next. So let's select the components from the component list. So let's create the circuit. First we have to place the Arduino port. Next I am going to place the LED. I choose the pin 13 for LED. And then ground it. And I need push button, so I select button. So place the push button, and one terminal of the push button I have to connect the pin number 4, and in other end of the push button I have to supply the voltage. For that, select the power, place it here and connect this one, and then select this one and rename it as plus 5 volt, then click OK. Now I am going to connect the resistor. Now circuit is completed, so I am going to create the Arduino code. This is the Arduino code for turn on and turn off the LED by using push button. For that, first I have defined the button pin as 4 and LED pin as 13 as I connected in the circuit. And then in the void setup I have set the pin mode as in button pin I want to get the input. According to the push button, the LED should be on and off, so the input should be get from the push button, and then I have to select the LED pin as output. Then in the void loop I have write the code what should happen actually. Here I get the input value by using digital read, and I have saved that value in the button state, and then I have used the if and else condition here. If the button state is high, then LED should be high, which means the LED pin should be in 5 voltage. Otherwise LED pin should be low, which means LED pin in 0 volt. So let's have this Arduino code in same file. The LED booster. I have saved this code there. And then verify the code. And I need to extract the hex file for upload the coding in the Proteus file. So let's extract the hex file by using extract export compile binary. Now hex file has been created. So select the hex file. Yeah, LED push button. Build. Yeah, this one is the hex file we want to upload in this Arduino board. So click OK. Let's run this code. Then click the push button. LED should on. So I want to change the LED as digital mode. For that, here I made a mistake. Here I have connected ground to the same ground in the Arduino board, and when I click here, this 5 volt is go to the ground also. Then this LED is not working, so I want to change this circuit. Select the ground. Then circuit is fine. So let's play. Now I click the push button. When I release the push button, the LED should turn off. If I did not connect this resistor, let's see what was happened. When I click and release the button also, it's turn on, because once it's the voltage is high, it's always after release the push button also it's treat like 5 volt. That's why we have to connect the resistor to the ground. If this push button is released, then the voltage should be 0 in this pin. That's why we have to connect the resistor there. So now it's work fine. If you want me to do any Arduino project, please comment below. If you like this video, please click the like button. In upcoming video, I am going to upload more video related to Arduino project. So if you want to notify, please subscribe my channel.